As you know, we've been making some alterations to the van. So this is a screen that we've made. So we've this is all fitted behind the rubber all the way around onto there, and then to make it all the way around here, I probably didn't show you, split around the rubber, but to make it, instead of having it as a fixed thing, these sections, this mesh bit here, this bit is all on Velcro, so if we ever have to take it off, we can just take the whole thing off. So I'll show you here, like, so we're up onto this side, so I don't know if you can see that, but there's like a Velcro finish on that. It's all nice and tight on there, so we've got a bit of adjustment on it. And then this here is, we've got a proper seal on it now, so you can't, there's no bugs coming in. And then it's sealed on the bottom as well, so it's like magnetised. And then I'll show you I'll go in. So inside, then what we've got, the wind's blowing a little bit at the minute, so it's having a bit of trouble, but there you go. So it's fitted like this on the inside at the moment. There we are. Okay, you have to pull it shut a little bit, but we've actually been working on the back. Now we've made some big alterations to the back. We have these big cushions which allow us to watch TV. So there's Christine, but we always wanted to be able to keep the doors open, and we had loads of trouble with this. Well, this, I don't know if you can see it or not, but is actually a mesh. Well, we had a mesh up before, but what was happening is when we was leaning on these cushions, it was leaning on the mesh and it was pulling it off. So we've actually now made this screen which goes around there, down there. We've got this metal bar in, so when we're watching TV it's not pressing on the screen itself. Brilliant. I'll show you from the other side. I'll just take you outside. So let's push our way out on there. We'll go around the back. Now the bottom section we'd made before, so that was all done before. We've got a little bit of a repair to do down there, but this is how this looks. So brilliant. We were really pleased with that. Looks really good. Looks like I bought one.
Just like I bought one.
Just like I bought one. Yeah, and that little lot has probably cost us around, pardon? About 40 quid. That includes the Velcro, all the material and everything. So